This is a search and destroy mission, okay? There's a bomb. You all saw the yellow bomb, okay? That is located somewhere in the city. Okay, the objective is to find the bomb and place it in the other team's headquarters, okay?
milsimjunkie.com, baby.
Two stories clear!
All right, gotta get in there and plant the ball. Go. Cover! Talk to me, what's up? Hit. You got a guy in that corner over there. Coming out. Damn you, Brent.
shot on the wiener.
Hey, welcome to my world. Okay?
Oh, good.
Jerry, what side are you on?
Hot.
Well, you know me.
I got a knockoff PTW right here. It's known as the DTW. Just trying it out, see what I like about it. So far it shoots pretty well, but I mean, in terms of accuracy, it could be a little bit better. But $315, not bad of a price. So trying it out. Good job. If it's, can you stop touching me?
Oh no,
Hi, Milsim.
I don't want to.
Shoot it real quick.
Welcome to CQB City, where we support milsimjunkie, baby.
Yes. Yes. I don't know, what brand is it? KWA. It's engraved in there, huh? You etched it in there. But then you got the S Thunder logo right there at the back. Somebody say something about Skyrim? Skyrim. What? Skyrim.
Hero Freeze.
You're still too dark in this corner right here. Come on.
Because I'm Mexican,
I didn't mean that racially. I just said you're just dark.
Hey man,
You took it to that corner. You took it to that level right there, bro.
Oh, look at this guy.
Wow.
So this is why I love some junkie fans and people.
No, fair. Child abuse.
Some junkies always on the social media game.
Dim lips, though.
This is what happens when you have a second cameraman and some junkie is the main cameraman.
The guy's licking his lips like LL Cool J.
There's nothing wrong
Hey, girl.
with LL Cool J.
Lick all the bliss sticks off my mouth.
I just had the most delicious velvet brownie ever. Just gonna
From
say.
Mrs. Milsim Junkie. Hey, how about we go to work?
How about social media game's another piece of that puzzle.
Just saying. Guys, makes me do all the work.
The one time I give him a camera, he thinks he's been doing it forever.
You guys know SHOT Show footage? It's all me, baby. It's all me.
MSJ Nation, hello. RNS here at the end of the video. Want to hit your face with some video links. On this side, we have the Harlem Shake video, and on this side, we have the December 9th video. Check those out. Yes, December 9th, 2012. That was the last gameplay video I did. So this officially is the first gameplay video of the year. It took me so long, I don't know why. But since SHOT, I've been working at getting myself more accessible to you guys. So to those in the East Coast and to those overseas, you may be seeing me in the near future. I don't know. More on that stuff later. But I want to say hello to all the new MSJ Nation members. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, hit up the Facebook.com, hit up the Twitter.com, hit up the Instagram.com at milsimjunkie. So you guys can follow me there on all the social media fronts. It's a great way, really great way for me to talk to you guys, communicate with you guys, and you guys get to see me on and off the field with all the pictures that I post and stuff like that too. Plus, I've been posting up some insane promo codes, 20% off here, 25, 30%. So check them out. They're all there. And with that being said, MSJ Nation, remember, guys, to play hard and fight hard. Take it easy.